when you have nothing, you give nothing, but you also do nothing.
Ubuyobozi bwa Ankole bukwatanise na Ministry y'Eby'amataka batongoza kutandika gukora ebyapa aha mataka ag'ekanisa agari hansi y'obureberezi bwa Ankole. Erizooba abakuru b'eddiini omuri Ankole bavuganira aha kanisa ya St James Cathedral Mbarara kushijuma amataka g'ekanisa garatunga ebyapa ebirahwere omu ntaasya y'ihanga. Dennis Obo okuriire okuhandiika amataka omu bwingi omu Ministry y'Eby'amataka yashoboorora ko amataka mingi g'ekanisa gabaire gatiine ebyapa kiresire gavumenti yatandika efuru y'okuhandiika amataka goona agatiine ebyapa.
It has caused a very big public outcry. And I think in the House of Bishop in 2024, there was a statement that required ministry and government to come up with an initiative to register all land that belongs to church. So this is the beginning for Ankole. We have begun this process in Kigezi, and in Kigezi we have surveyed and demarcated 1,636 parcels of land.
Obwahati gavumenti ya Uganda kurabira mu Ministry y'Eby'amataka egenderire ekora ebyapa 13 eby'amataka g'ekanisa gari omu bureberezi bwa Ankole.
Looking at processing about actually an estimated number of 1,300 titles, because there are those applications that had not been received and yet the church has bought or acquired land. So we shall include all these applications.
Bishop Sheldon Mwesigwa yasima Ministry y'Eby'amataka habw'ehuririzi kandi yateerera abantu omuranga kugira itaka nkabo erihandikiise.
The practice is that all my work, life, wherever I will go, I will make sure I buy this land. Wherever, as a way of investing for the future.
Bishop Nathan Ahimbisibwe, Bishop wa South Ankole Diocese yagiranga okufuna ebyapa by'amataka n'okureebera ahareehombya entunguuka y'ekanisa.
Our coming here, we are witnesses and participants of the people in this world who are seeing the fact that the
Lake Julius, senior physical planner ha Mbarara District, yagiranga borekyerire kugendera amateeka obwe baba nibakora ha byapa by'amataka g'ekanisa.
Kore byapa by'amakanisa nk'oku president aragire ntuteekwa kugendera omu ebiragiro ebya physical planning na n'ebiragiro byona ebirikutegeka amataka. For example, buri itaka ryona erya Church of Uganda erikumangundu ndyatana n'ekishara ekishara turakiteeke mu kyapa ntuza kumakinga enguudo ziitu za government omusaize zazo zo.
District nka Ibanda, Mbarara, Kazo, Bushenyi, Shema, Isingiro, Midoma, Rubirizi, Rwampara, Ntungamo, Buhweju nizo ziraganyire omuhuririzi. Abwatayari Western Susan alina omukisa omuri Mbarara.
Praise the Lord.